Here you will learn about how to use a net price calculator. Before you begin learning more about the net price calculator and how to use it, we implore you to kindly hit the subscribe button to stay tuned to our channel and to keep seeing scholarship alerts. Also, ensure not to skip any part of this video to avoid missing out on useful information. Please, we plead you kindly hit the subscribe button and like, as we noticed most of the people watching my videos don't subscribe. You will find all relevant links to this video on our website, or check the link in the description of this video. In this era of increasing educational costs, the net price calculator emerges as a source of clarity and direction. As a result, it assists parents to have an idea of the overall cost of attending the university. However, many people are still stuck on how to use a net price calculator. This video will help you understand more about the net price calculator, including its benefits, where you can get a calculator, and how to use a net price calculator. Moreover, the NPC serves as a vital tool for parents to have a personalized glimpse into the financial landscape of specific institutions. And this is because finding your net price is an essential step in knowing the exact cost of college. Hence, this could help in budgeting and also determine which colleges your child should apply to. Therefore, after narrowing down your college options, you should use net pricing calculators to see which universities are feasible for your children. Typically, the federal government has mandated that every college and university that offers federal student aid should have an online net price calculator. Keep watching to learn more about how you can use a net price calculator. What is a net price calculator? A net price calculator, NPC, is an online tool supplied by colleges and universities that estimates the net cost of attending a certain institution. Similarly, the NPC considers a variety of factors, including family income, assets, household size, and other financial considerations. Likewise, the net cost is the overall cost of attending the university, tuition, fees, room and board, books, etc., minus any potential financial assistance or scholarships. How to calculate financial aid? If you have considered applying for financial aid and don't know if you qualify to apply, then you must carefully check here to learn how to calculate the amount of financial aid you qualify for. Generally, before any agency considers giving you financial aid, normally referred to as need-based scholarships, the financial aid staff starts by evaluating your total cost of attendance, COA, at that school. Then they consider your expected family contribution, EFC. Hence, qualifying for financial aid will depend on your financial need, which includes the difference between your college cost of attendance, COA, and expected family contribution, EFC. Below we've explained further what your COA and EFC entail. The COA, standing for cost of attendance, comprises your tuition, fees, room, board, books, supplies, equipment, transportation to from college, and miscellaneous expenses. While the EFC comprises the student and parent income and assets, family size, number of children in college, and other demographic factors. How to use a net price calculator. If you're preparing your kids for college and would like to learn how to use a net price calculator, here is a highlight of the process for achieving your goal. Locate a calculator. Find a net price calculator, NPC, on the website of the college or university you're interested in. Gather financial information. Have information ready about your family's income, assets, and other financial details. This may include tax returns, W-2 forms, and bank statements. Start the calculator. Answer questions. Review the results. Repeat for other colleges. We encourage you to visit the website link in the description of this video to see the application buttons you can see here. Hope this application guide was helpful. If yes, leave a comment in the comment section. If no, drop your questions too. Meanwhile, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep seeing scholarship updates. Thanks for watching.